What is up, pretty babies? Welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing like 2 braids with a big puff or a small puff, whatever. So I know my hair's all over the place, but I don't care, because I mean, like, I'm ugly. So but anyway, let's start with the hair. So basically, so you're just gonna part your hair, take your, y'all, my hair nappy, like it's very nappy. Lord, what do I be doing to it? So I'm about to part it. So that look like a good part? No, yeah, whatever. So come on, no. I hope this video ain't long because I ain't got no storage money to be playing around. I'm gonna come on. So I don't care if this part crooked and ugly like my face. So I don't care, y'all. This is my first time doing something like this. I don't never do like a braided hairstyle. So I'm a like save this part. So I do have like little white stuff in my hair. It's not dandruff, but it do come from that gel that I use, and I'm gonna use that gel again today because I'm gonna have to suffer right now because I'm not leaving the house due to that corona thing. I'm not about to leave the house, so I'm gonna suffer with the gel that I got. And I ain't going away anyway, so I don't care. I don't care if it turn white. You're gonna part the other side. So yes, it's gonna turn white, obviously, because that's the type of gel it is. Y'all, I'm talking too much. I need to shut up. I'm already ugly. I can't be doing all that talking and I'm ugly. We're gonna start off with this side. So we're gonna put a ponytail over all of this ratchetness in the back. So I did blow dry my hair, by the way, because I like my puffs to be big, but it might be ugly. So I'm gonna show y'all the gel that I'm gonna be using. This is the clear ice gel. This is the gel that turned my hair white. So, and then this is old. This is very old, from years ago. Like, that's why my hair white now. Yeah, ignore my brothers in the background if you hear them, because I'm gonna be ignoring it. So ignore it or laugh at it, because I laugh at it. So how you braid? So my braid is white, as you can see from the gel, but I don't care. So you're gonna repeat that on the other side. We're about to hawk a lot of gel onto this side. So I'm gonna comb this nappiness out. I don't think this part's straight, but I don't think I can either, so yeah. I think I'll be shaving my edges off because they look gone. I'm not even finna lie. And then my forehead big, Lord. This is what that braid look like. I know my edges look dusty, but now time to take this puff out. First off, let me bring out my edges. So I like to take the little part of the comb and I'm really sitting in front of the window doing my hair, y'all, because I need that natural light. And everybody that's passing by, like, what you looking at? You all in my face. So I take a section of the back of my head. We're gonna start at the bottom. I know in the beginning of the video I said I wasn't gonna use this, but I need something to moisturize this dryness with, so we gonna moisturize this dryness. And I don't feel like getting up trying to search for no hair products right now, so. Let me stop talking to myself. Always something wrong with me. Like, I'm always talking to myself. Is that a bad thing? So I'm gonna take my big teeth comb and comb through these baldness. So you apply the gel to your hair, and you want to take your little brush, and then you brush your hair into a pony. So make sure you slick it as you go. I don't know if it's called scrunchie or scrunchy, but I don't care either. I'm using a rubber band. Okay, so you want to repeat the same method that we did for the first part to the other part. Okay, let me stop. All right, so I'm back and we about to pin this. I know that ain't the ice cream truck, and they got Corona going out, and you want to serve ice cream to these people? Corona juice, what I said. So now we about to go onto the edges, something I don't know how to do, and we're gonna apply some gel to it. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. I don't really like it, but I guess I'll just get used to it until I like it. So this is basically what it looks like. But anyway, if you enjoyed today's hair tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.